This video is on ratios and simplifying them. Ratios of two numbers, the comparison of those two numbers. We frequently write them as fractions. Writing the ratio of 12 to 8 would just be 12 over 8. But to write it in lowest terms, we need to simplify that fraction. To simplify this fraction, we want to think about what 12 and 8 have in common. 12 is 3 times 4, 8 is 2 times 4, so they both have a factor of 4. That 4 over 4 simplifies to 1, and we're left with 3 halves. That is the ratio in lowest terms. Sometimes you have to really watch out for units when you're simplifying ratios or writing ratios. For example, if I want to find the ratio of 5 centimeters to 40 millimeters, I first need to recognize that centimeters and millimeters are different units. To compare these better, let's convert them both to the same unit. Let's convert them both to centimeters to start with. So 5 centimeters can stay as it is, but 40 millimeters, I know that there's 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, and so that would convert to 4 centimeters. The ratio of 5 to 4 is 5/4, and the unit drops away. This would be centimeters over centimeters, which is a form of 1, and so the ratio itself is unitless. This works the same way if we converted both of these to millimeters. So 5 centimeters is the same thing as 50 millimeters, because I know there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter, and then 40 millimeters stays as it is. 50 to 40 millimeters simplifies down to 5/4. The ratio is the same either way. Let's write the ratio of something that has some decimals. We want to write the ratio as a fraction in the lowest terms of 3.3 seconds to 0.27 seconds. I don't care about the seconds and seconds. That'll end up simplifying out so long as they're the same. Decimals and fractions don't play nicely together, so the first thing I want to do is clear the decimals. To do that, I'm going to multiply by a form of 1. And for my form of 1, I want to not just multiply by 10. I want to multiply by 100 over 100. And the reason why is because this number on the bottom, 0.27, in order to clear the decimals, in order to rewrite that as a whole number, I have to multiply it by 100 to shift the decimal place 2 places. Whatever I do on the one, I have to do on the other. That was kind of poorly explained. All right, this wouldn't work if we just multiplied it by 10 over 10. Because if we did, we would end up with 33 in the numerator, which is good, and 2.7 in the denominator, which means we still have a decimal there, so that won't work. That's why I say we have to multiply it by 100 over 100. Okay, when we do that, we end up with 330 over 27. I see that both of these have a factor of 3, so we're not simplified yet. I'm thinking of 330 as 3 times 110, and 27 is 3 times 9. The 3 over 3's simplify out. 110 and 9 share no common factors, so that's our final answer, 110 over 9, and I don't need to say anything about seconds. Thank you.